My name is Nicolas, I'm the product manager for CI at Focal. Right now we are currently releasing 10 brand new products within our CI range. One from the 100 series, let's say there we have 7 new products, 4 in-ceiling speakers and 2 in-walls, 1 LCR, 1 two-way, and a very innovative solution in terms of LCR as well, in-ceiling. These are our range entry-level solutions within the 100 series, equipped with the Focal technologies, offering a very low directivity and ease of installation as well. On the upper range, we also introduced the 300 series complementary solutions with 3 new products, 2 in-walls, 1 LCR and 1 two-way in-wall, plus another in-ceiling, 3-way solutions as well for LCR applications. And within the 300 series, it's a no mounting system, so no screwdrivers needed at all. Very easy to install, plus benefiting from the Focal sound quality as well. Right there we have a very interesting product, which is the IW LCR from the 300 series. Be it in terms of sound quality, it's an impressive product in terms of bass extension, precision in the mid frequencies and high frequencies, and the ease of installation is just crazy because you just have to push the speakers within the wall and the installation is done.